Hey guys, it's Hannah here. And today I will be showing you how to make these super simple and easy paper clips using only washi tape. You've probably seen similar clips using ribbon, but since I didn't own any ribbon and still wanted to make some pretty paper clips, I came up with this solution. These clips are both pretty and functional to use either in your planner or as a bookmark for whatever you want. And the best part is that you can turn your favorite washi into a pretty planner accessory using things that you probably already own. So, what you'll need to make this are only 3 things: paper clips, washi tape of your choice, and a pair of scissors. So the very first step is to pick out the washi that you want to use. If you have as many rolls as I do, this can be kind of difficult. But these are the 2 designs I decided to go for today. This very pretty polka dot bow washi from Simply Gilded, as well as this wider one from Love Cynthia. Then you take your washi and roll it out like this. Then you fold it so that the folded strip is around 12 centimeters, or about 5 inches. I like to use the scissors to help the roll stay in its place while doing this. This length can vary on the size that you're going for though, but if you want to make it shorter in the end, that's super easy. So my suggestion is to go a little longer than you might need to. After you have folded it, simply cut it right here. Now that you have your strip of washi double-sided, you're ready to put it on the paperclip. When you've come this far, use it as if it was a ribbon. Now you simply fold it in half, then you pull it through the paperclip like this. And make sure that you do it in the right end of the paperclip so that it will actually be useful. This is the way you want it to go, not this way. And then you pull the ends through the little loop that you get here. I googled the name of this knot and apparently it's called a cow hitch or a lark's head in English. So if you know what that is, that's what you're doing here. And then you just pull. This is the tricky part though, you have to be a little careful, and the tip is not to go too fast or you might mess up. Also, something I was worried about when making my first ones was that the washi would rip. Now, as you might know, washi is made out of paper, so it's not the strongest material in the world. But I was actually surprised at how hard I could pull it without it ripping. I guess when you double it, it becomes a lot sturdier too. I didn't rip any of mine except from this one, and just a tiny bit. You can't even see it from the front. And I think this might have to do with the quality of the washi you're using, or how hard and fast you pull it, or maybe just the way the washi is tied together when you pull it. It might even be out of your control, I don't know. But the good part is that even if you do mess up, you probably have a whole roll left of beautiful washi, so then you can just start over. Alright, so when you have pulled it nice and tight, it's time to trim it. Now, I personally like to make little flags out of my strips, but you could trim it however you want to. And here is also where you can decide the length of your clip, how much you want it to poke out of your planner or book. And now you're done! If you want to, you could put some glue to make sure that everything sticks together, but I have found that they are actually pretty sturdy, more so than I thought, so I'm not doing that. And that's everything I had to show you for this little DIY. From here on out, you can really just go crazy and experiment with different washi's length and styles. But just a little warning, making these are kind of addictive, but really fun. I really hope this video was helpful to you, and if you do try this DIY yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Or even better, you can tag me in a picture on Instagram to show me. My username is Hannahs_Haven_. Thank you so much for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!